Hello everyone, I am Shelby and welcome to my channel Shimmer. Today we are doing a custom shark mug for my brother as a gift either for his birthday or Christmas, and you can see the before drawing and after drawing of what I wanted to do for this custom mug. Now, there is a gag with my brother about a needle and a Q-tip. So this has stuck with him since he was a teenager, and I wanted to go with the S shape of this flow right here. But anyway, my brother is a little bit autistic and he has ADHD. And he absolutely loves sharks. He has a bit of a different humor, than other people. And he's a little bit dark humored, but he's absolutely hilarious to be around. And I really wanted the shark to be like more detailed and based off a real one. And just tweak it, did the shading, and I just absolutely love how this came out. I know he's gonna love it just because, it's his favorite animal and it has a little bit of dark humor in it. It's like funny, just, and I did this drawing. It took me like 3 days to do to try and figure out what I wanted to do because I wanted to be like basically like perfect. And I took like a bubble brush and airbrushes and stuff. I did this actually on my phone. And then I turned it into a transparent sticker PDF. I turned it into a sticker, and I went and looked at customizable mugs online, and I put some text on there and everything. And I don't know if YouTube will allow it, so I'm going to blur out some of the words on the mug. Well, one of the words on the mug. Yeah, this has just been a running joke with my family for a very, very long time with him, and he's just gonna get a kick out of it. But you probably can tell what it is, the needle and a Q-tip, which it's just like cute and funny at the same time. And you will see the pictures of the mug here in a second. And I was super worried about this mug, how it came out, and if it was gonna come. So here it is.